Open a free Azure account if you not already have one. Install Azure Function Core Tools in your system. It can be Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Install VS Code in your system. In VS Code, install Microsoft Python extension. Also in VS Code, install the Azure Function extension. Make sure you have Python installed in your system. Currently, it is generally available Python's versions 3.7 to 3.9. Open your terminal and create a new directory and call it a meaningful name. Change to this directory. Open VS Code by typing code space dot enter. In VS Code, click Create Function. Choose your function runtime as Python. Choose HTTP trigger and give it a name. Choose anonymous authentication. This will create a function boilerplate project where you can immediately test by pressing F5. The function will immediately run in your local system in port 771. To test the function endpoint, open Postman. Copy and paste the URL from the command line in your Postman GET request. Test the endpoint by passing a query parameter with key, name, and any text as value. Test the post request by passing a JSON raw body, and both should return a successful response. Stop the function by pressing Ctrl+C and Enter. To deploy to Azure, you need to create a function app. For this, connect to your Azure account in VS Code. Once authenticated, click the plus sign to create a new Azure resource. Choose Create a Function App in Azure. Give it a unique global name. Choose Python runtime that you use to test your function locally. Choose the Azure region you want to deploy your function app. Wait a few seconds for the function app to be deployed in Azure. Once deployed is complete, click Deploy Function. Choose the function app you just created. Click the Deploy button. Wait a few seconds to the deployment to complete. Test the production endpoints in Postman as you did locally. Make sure it is all working. Congratulations, you deploy your first Azure functions and you should be proud of it. To not incur any cost, to go to your Azure subscription, find the resource group that this process created and delete it. All the resource that was created together will be deleted.